Okay, so it was around 2-3 years back when we were discussing how we'll get married, and that was a day when Raghu told me he wants to get married on the beach venue. But it was not possible because our guest list was more than 1,000. So this when mostly beach weddings are restricted to around 100 to 100 guests. But now due to COVID, we got a chance, to get only special and selected guests. So it was possible. So I had kept it as a surprise. So till today, he didn't know the venue. And then, yeah, it was done, the surprise.
Hello, your bride's sister. I'm Isha.
Myself, Reena.
I'm asked to speak about the bond which I have with my sister. So the bond which I have with her is one of the crispiest bond I've ever had with anyone, and definitely she is like my shining star, my guardian angel. There's not even a single thing in my life I've done without asking her or
Rannath.
Hashtag जलेबी नी फाफड़ा चिकन नी बिरयानी.
यूं करते खुदा मेरा आशिया है इश्क में उस पाक इश्क में मेरा आशिया है इश्क में उस पाक इश्क में रंग दे मेरे महबूबा मुझे रंग दे रंग दे मेरे महबूबा मुझे रंग दे रंग दे रंग दे मेरे महबूबा मुझे रंग दे रंग दे रंग दे मेरे महबूबा मुझे रंग दे धूम ता ना 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 धूम ता ना 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 धूम ता ना 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 धूम ता ना मगसानी पानी सागरे मगरे सा धूम ता ना 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 धूम ता ना 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 धूम ता ना 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 धूम ता ना मगसानी पानी सागरे मगरे सा निसा सा निसा सा सा निसा सा निसा सा सा मौला मेरी एक इल्तिजा है ये नूर से मेरा दीदार कर दे रहमतों की बारिश अब यूं बरसे
रीमा और मैं साथ में रहते थे. शी इज़ फर्स्ट माई रूममेट, आई मीन अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड, देन माई सिस्टर इन लॉ एंड भाभी. What I like the most about her is that she is so supportive, so caring about all the family members that I was really impressed by her skills. And सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे ये चीज़ अच्छी लगती है कि वो सिर्फ मेरी दोस्त नहीं, हम सबकी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त पहले और फिर हमारा अलग रिश्ता है.
Actually, it started way back 4 years. We were sitting in a cafe and discussing about how we want to plan our wedding. So I always thought about having a beach wedding since she was from Goa. So I always thought of having a beach wedding where we'll have a mandap alongside the beach and we'll have guests around 50 or 100 people. So that we discussed 4 years back, but she kept that in mind, and after 4 years she planned the same wedding that we have always thought about.